We should go to Country Bar.
Let's go. I want some chicken wings.
I can wear my PJs to the Country Bar.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, 42, please. To go, time's running out, need to eat faster. Chicken. 8 down, 34 to go. But it's time, keep moving so slow. Eating competitions, they're really not my bag. Any more chicken, I feel I might gag. Oh, chicken wings, I love you so. Why are you so brutal to my You're so spicy. It's because of you I'll never have a wifey. I need some celery, some blue cheese dressing, maybe some beer. No, not milk, that's stupid. Chicken wings. Chicken wings.
Chicken, 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 chicken,
12 down, 30 more to go. Chicken wings, you ravage my asshole once again. I need a break. Fuck you, chicken wings. Take this plate away from me, chicken wings.
chicken.
I lost again.
Chicken wings.
I lost again.
Chicken.
I lost again.
Yeah. You just said ravage my asshole in front of a bunch of kids.
I know, that's why.